How to use LinkedIn to get hired in America without sounding fake. Let's be honest, LinkedIn can feel like one of the strangest places on the internet. Every layoff becomes an exciting new chapter, and every ordinary meeting becomes an inspiring collaboration. But while some people post empty corporate speeches, others quietly get interviews, build relationships, and receive messages from recruiters. That is why you should not treat LinkedIn as an online folder for your arson. It is not a website where you upload your work history, disappear for 6 months, and wait to be discovered. LinkedIn is a professional search engine networking platform and a public explanation of who you are. Your profile should answer 3 questions within seconds. What do you do? What problems can you solve? Why should someone remember you? Start with your profile photo. You do not need an expensive studio session or a designer suit. Use a recent, clear photograph with good lighting, simple background, and an approachable expression. The goal is to look approachable and dependable. Next, fix your headline. Student, marketing professional, or software engineer may be accurate, but thousands of people use the same labels. A stronger headline explains your specialty and the value you create. Instead of marketing specialist, try digital marketer helping local service businesses generate qualified leads. Do not claim experience you do not have. Describe the field you are entering, the tools you are learning, and the problems you want to solve. Without pretending to hold a title you have never earned. Then improve your About section. Write in the first person and sound human. Explain what you focus on, what experience you have, what skills you are developing, and what kind of opportunity you want next. Avoid phrases like results-driven thought leader, passionate team player, or innovative self-starter unless you prove them. Specific beats impressive. I reduced customer response time by 30% is stronger than I have excellent communication skills. Your experience section should not read like duties copied from a job description. Show outcomes, numbers, tools, and examples. What did you build, improve, organize, sell, prevent, or learn? Add relevant skills, but do not turn your profile into a warehouse of random keywords. Study the jobs you actually want. If the same skills appear repeatedly, and do you genuinely have them? Make sure your profile reflects them. Now, let's talk about visibility. Active people are easier to remember. That does not mean you must post every day or become a corporate influencer. It means you should leave evidence that you are paying attention to your profession. Share a lesson from a project. Explain a mistake you corrected. Comment thoughtfully on an industry change. Post a short takeaway from a tool, course, book, case study, or work experience. A useful comment under someone else's post can introduce you to people who would never have found your profile otherwise. Do not post just to announce that you were amazing. Post to demonstrate curiosity, judgment, and progress. You do not need to sound perfect. You need to sound clear, useful, and real. Networking does not mean collecting thousands of strangers. Connect with classmates, former coworkers, managers, clients, alumni, local professionals, and people working in roles you want to understand. Do not open with, "Can you get me a job?" Try, "Hi, Maria. I'm moving from retail operations into supply chain analysis, and your career path caught my attention. I appreciated your post about inventory verification. and would be glad to connect. If you are actively searching, use open to work carefully. Be specific about job titles, locations, workplace types, and start dates. A recruiter cannot read your mind. Saying you are open to anything often makes you harder, not easier, to place. Now, we need to discuss easy apply. Easy apply is convenient, but convenience creates competition. When an application takes 1 minute, many people will submit one. Use it, but do not build your entire strategy around clicking the same button hundreds of times. Read the description. Adjust your RSUM for the role. Put the most relevant experience near the top. Apply early when possible. If the listing sends you to the employer's website, do not automatically skip it. A longer application may attract fewer casual applicants. After applying for a role, use seriously. Identify the recruiter, hiring manager, or team leader when that information is available. Send a brief message, not a desperate teaser. Hi, Jordan. I applied for the customer success position today. My background includes 3 years onboarding small business clients and reducing early cancellations. I wanted to introduce myself and express my interest. Thank you for your time. LinkedIn Premium can be useful during an active search because some plans include applicant insights, additional search tools, profile view information, and InMail. But Premium is not a magic hiring button. Use it intentionally, measure whether it improves your search, and cancel when it no longer provides value. Protect yourself as well. A polished profile does not prove that a recruiter is legitimate. Be cautious about offers without a real interview. Requests to buy equipment with a check. Early demands for financial information, or unusually high pay for vague work. Verify the recruiter and the job through the employer's official website. Here is the larger lesson. You are not hired simply because you created a LinkedIn account. You become more competitive when your profile communicates a direction. Your experience provides evidence, your activity shows genuine interest, and your relationships make you more than an anonymous file. You do not have to become fake or celebrate every ordinary task as a historic achievement, but you do have to participate. Update your photo. Rewrite your headline. Strengthen your About section. Add measurable results. Choose relevant skills. Follow companies you respect. Comment with substance. Send thoughtful connection requests. Apply with intention. Contact people professionally. LinkedIn can be awkward, performative, and exhausting. It can also place your work in front of someone who needs exactly what you know how to do. Your RSUM tells people what you have it on. Your LinkedIn presence helps them understand where you are going. So here is your assignment. Open your profile today and improve one section before you close that. Then leave a comment below. What is the weakest part of your LinkedIn profile right now? Your photo, headline, About section, experience, skills, networking, or job search strategy? Subscribe for practical career advice without corporate nonsense, fake inspiration, or empty promises. I'll see you in the next video.